Hey, what's up? This is from David Blue iPad 2020. I went saw got from Amazon on Friday, November 10th. So, with Blu-ray and DVD and digital code, here it is. I'm going what to do. Let's Disney and Pixar movie called Elemental. Fire up your Pixar collection. Bonus includes cover stage short, featurette, and duet scenes. Use movies anywhere to add them your digital code. Here is my favorite Blu-ray case. On the cover, nice shiny damage. So, here's the front right here. And there's spine, Ember. The other spine, right here, there's Wade. And the back with a cover. There's a Blu-ray bonus extras. Rated PG for some polygamic elements and birth language. Music from Thomas Newman. You since worry in 15 years. Digital code include download or stream. Bring your movies together. Read them on Movies Anywhere. With the movie Up, it's 101 minutes, so Mamadou Antang and Leah Lewis. There's a Region 3, Region 1, and ABC. From Walt Disney Studios Home Entertainment, so nice. Alright. Let's do it. Right here. Headphone. Let's do it. Now let's open up and take a look at the side. There's a Blu-ray disc. The Disney DVD. Disney Movie Insiders. There's YouTube. I went saw watch Turning Red from Pixar. So let's do Burning Red with the poster. So thank you for watching and thumbs up, subscribe, and take care with the Blu-ray unboxing. So until next time, this is David saying goodbye, David, and God bless for all.